Bonjour. We are back in Cusack Bonneval for an attic sale, vide grenier, and this is Elise, my friend from South Africa. She has arrived, my first visitor in 3 years' time, and yes, Elise Parkhurst.
Hello, bonjour.
Okay, so let's go to the market. People, look who I found here at the market. Maria.
Yay, good morning. Surprise.
And Maria's got some news about Ludi because he's not with her today.
No, he is bitten by a snake in his leg, by a viper. So he's at home resting.
Okay, we'll keep you up to date.
Yes.
Okay, let's go to the market. Okay, I've bought something for 10 euros. Great.
Beautiful.
Okay.
Beautiful. I wanted it. It's for sale. 15 euro. I'll pay you 15.
Maria's bought something as well.
Yes.
Is it a hat?
It can be a hat if you want to,
What's it for?
but it's from baking bread.
A round bread?
Le couron.
Ah.
They put
But
the
you bake
dough.
it, you put the dough in there and then?
Then you let it rise, and then they take it out and let it in the
Ah,
put it in the
okay.
How do you get it out?
But how do you bake it in the basket?
No,
No.
out of the
And then you
basket.
tip it out.
I think so.
You
I
must-
think so. Yeah, because you
How do you
can't.
get it out?
So
Otherwise
before you
use
bake it.
paper, baking
I
paper,
think with paper and then,
baking paper,
Okay.
then they're gonna
and
take it.
I think they turn it around. I
Okay.
think.
Before you bake it, yeah. Okay.
Okay, Maria, you've got to make us a bread like that.
One
Yeah.
day.
Before I go.
One day. One day.
She found another object.
You're so kind.
Yeah, to match her dress.
Yes. All is matching. And then
I think this is the old wash house.
so
Yeah. There's no water in it at the moment, but this used to be the communal wash house where all the women came to wash their clothes and everything else. Okay, it's not a pool, Maria.
oh, leaf. Oh. Oh, ooh,
Oh, very nice.
leaf.
I love those. That is divine. Sure.
Ik vind die.
Oh,
Wat moet je daarmee doen?
it's for jam, isn't it? Okay, Maria has got a new selection of glasses. Okay, that's one.
This is
Is that one for reading?
no. This is for.
Oh,
This one is for reading,
that one is. Oh, that's the pretty one. Okay.
and this one
And
is when the
another
sun
one.
is going to shine.
And that is sunglasses.
Yay.
Okay. Beautiful.
And now your new glasses.
Okay, donc c'est en été. Merci. Ah, c'est comme ça. Parfait. Voilà. Merci.
Ik dacht dat dit te maken.
Ja, kijk dan. Zelfs die
Ja,
alles.
appel,
Ja.
die wijn.
Merci.
1 meter. 1 meter, please.
Dit voor onze chemise. Kijk. Ja. Oké.
Voilà.
Kijk. Okay.
Okay, we're done shopping now. We bought a lot of stuff at a different attic sale. I bought this frame, which I want to use for my dad's photograph, and then all these materials here. Lots and lots.
Nice.
Okay. Oliver.